ripe banana, 2 tablespoons milk, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a blender. Then you're gonna peel your banana and slice them to little pieces like this. After that, you're going to put it in a freezer bag. And then you're going to freeze it for 3 hours. 3 hours later, we take our banana out from the freezer. Now we're going to put our bananas inside the blender. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of milk inside. Then 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend it until it has a smooth texture. After that, you put it in this freezer-safe container and freeze it for 7 to 8 hours. Here it is after 8 hours in the freezer, and then we took it out. It's done. This is what it looked like when we put it into scoops. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye. Bye.